Are you tired of missing important messages in your WhatsApp groups on the web version? Well, we have a solution for you. In this video, we will show you how to mark all groups as unread on WhatsApp Web on your PC with the new update. First, open web.whatsapp.com on your browser. Then, click on the three dots located at the top left corner and select Chats from the drop-down menu. This will display all your chat groups. Next, choose all the groups that you want to mark as unread. You can do this by clicking on the group name or selecting multiple groups at once. After selecting the groups, click on the three dots again, and a menu will appear. From the menu, click on Mark as Unread. This action will change the status of the selected groups to unread, making it easier for you to keep track of important messages. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can now mark all your WhatsApp groups as unread on WhatsApp Web on your PC. Stay organized and never miss an important message again. Thank you for watching.